Patrick at Pals. Well, Dylan is working on the Dodge differential, and as you know, we got the pinion in. Now he's set in the ring gear with the posit traction. The red springs that you see are for the posit traction to engage. Some differentials are an open rear end, and they have what's called spider gears, so they have gears on either side. This has got a posit traction unit that engages it, so that if one wheel starts to slip, the other one engages. The next step is going to be to set the depth of the ring gear on the pinion. And we're going to check that, and the way we're going to check that is Dylan's going to put a white paint on it.
Well, we got some yellow paint.
Yellow paint?
Yeah, we got some yellow.
We're going to put the yellow paint, and then we're going to run the gear around in a circle, and we'll check the depth. You don't want it to be too far out, you don't want it to be too far in. If you've got a differential and need it rebuilt, bring it to Pals. See you soon.